Is he gonna die? Just randomly swimming out there during night. Swim. Swim. Oh no, you coming back? You want to come back?
They have a huge reef.
You want to come back? Oh yeah, filming. No.
Sure.
No, I'm filming. There's a difference. Was that lightning? He's swimming and it is 7:49 at night and he's swimming. Oh, my finger got in the way. Open a can of happiness.